Well, hello YouTube, and today we are here with my 1949 Frigidaire refrigerator. I actually picked this thing up off of Craigslist for 20 bucks. I just now finished defrosting it, but this fridge is in excellent condition with the exception of, and I had just replaced a couple of the little grommets on the back wall there. Some are broken. They're actually the rubber grommets I have don't really work very well because the enameled porcelain, you can kind of see it there, is a little bit, it's like folded back, so it's really thick, and the rubber grommets don't fit very well. But anyway, it has the meat drawer, the original glass drip tray, not ovenware, made in the United States of America. And this is the freezer, which you might be able to still hear it gurgling a little bit from being, since it was so warm in here with that heater going. It has the original Frigidaire Quick Cube dual ice cube tray. And, whoops. And unfortunately, it is missing the bottommost shelf. I believe that would have had either one or two drawers on there, but I just have this old piece of shelving that I cut down to set in here for right now. But anyway, to access the compressor and the coils, just remove the front part here. Let's turn on the light. It's a little bit dusty under here. But there we have the compressor. And there's the relay block. The only thing that I did with this was that I rewired it and put on a grounded cord. Let's see if we can zoom in on the nameplate here. There we go. Frigidaire, Division of General Motors, Dayton, Ohio, United States of America. One-ninth horsepower, 115 volts, 60 cycles, charge 17 ounces, dichloro tetrafluoroethane. This just kind of snaps on the front here, which I'm going to leave it off for now. But it's time to fire it back up. Turn the light off. Time to fire it back up here. And we'll put it on 1 for now and see what happens. And oh, where did it go? I've got this nice old Tell-True thermometer, which is not at any rate accurate. Here we go. Here's the good one. I'll set that in there. And we can hear the refrigerant flowing. There's our expansion tube, cap tube, right there, and the return line. And as you can see, our cap tube is starting to frost up a little bit. So let's close her up, and we'll be back here in a few hours and see how she's working. And let's see how we're doing. Okay, temperature's good. Gurgling a little bit there. And there we go. 1949 Frigidaire. Thanks for watching.